Hey guys, this is Lucy, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix access is denied error when using Windows Update service. So first you need to go to settings, and here go to Windows Update and check if it's letting you to. So if it's not letting you to update or anything, then you need to go to services. In the start, search for services, and you will see this service, which is Windows Update. Double click it and it will show you these options. You need to keep this startup type on manual. If it's not letting you to change it to manual, then you will need to do another thing first. So press Windows plus R in your keyboard, and here type regedit, which is the registry editor. So here you need to go to these locations: computer, HKey local machine. After that, go to system, and you will need to go to current control set. Then there is an option called services. So here you will need to know the name of the service. So go back to the service window, and here double click this Windows Update, and you will see the name of the service right on top of the window, just right there. Know the name of this service clearly. Go back to registry editor and search for the same name as the service name. So after you find the name of the service in this service folder, right click and click on permissions. If you see the administrators options over here, click on that and change the settings. If not, then go to advanced, and here you need to click on enable inheritance, just right there, and it will show you the administrators, all the permission entities, and you're good to go. So after that, click on apply and then OK, and you will need to select this settings, and after that you will click on apply, then again OK. So here go back to service windows, and here click on this Windows Update. Here change the startup type settings to manual and click on apply, and then you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.